Well, guys, it's Friday the 13th, and I've had a wonderful morning. My cup holders showed up today. Yeah, so I got those. I got to sleep in till 9:30. I mean, I just slept like a baby last night, and it quit raining, and things have been going sweet. Oh, I had steak and eggs for breakfast. So far this morning, everything's gone pretty sweet for Friday the 13th. I'm going to go ahead and show you the cup holders now, okay? Give me a second. Well, here they are. Just your typical plastic cup holders like you'd find in any RV. I'm going to open it, take them from this end, might be easier. See? They got the little drain hole in the bottom of them in case you spill something. And it's got the small insert in it so you can put cans or the big insert for the larger bottles. Well, let's see if they fit. Wow, perfect. Okay. And there we have it. There's my table. This is great. Now I'm going to come back and I'm going to put a little bit of that hand rub oil finish around these corners where I cut them, just to smooth them out and make them nice and finished. I'll pop these back out too, and I'll do that inside edge to make sure they stay waterproof in case there's a little seepage or something in here. And there is my here. I got the lid on that. Let's go put one in that too. Let me grab one here. I'm going to put that little garbage can right there too, because I think that'd be handy. Well, that's hitting something right there. Oh no, it's hitting that metal piece right there. I may have to build a new lid. That's too bad. Actually, no, it fits. I don't want to fight that though. Yeah, I might just build a new lid for that. But anyway, on this garbage can here, I'm going to put a little board down, like a piece of 1x1 down here, down from this lip, so I can put a garbage bag in there. And it'll hold it here. I'll just screw it into it from the sides, and it'll hold it right there. And I got a matching little garbage can. I don't know what kind of wood that is, but it looks a lot like birch. It's some type of hardwood from the jungle, probably. Cutting down trees there. But so that's where I'm at right at the moment. Okay, everyone. I went ahead and rebuilt the lid for this. Transferred the screw holes to this one. And basically I just need to put a coating on this. Put some of that hand-rubbed poly on there. And I think that's going to fix that up. I also fixed another thing here. That trash can, I was wondering how to hook it onto the side of the console. And I built this. It's just a little wooden peg on a block. And I'm going to put this up against the console. Then I'm going to put this little L bracket with a hole in it. I'm going to put that on the trash can. And that way when you set the trash can on there, it just goes over that. It holds it so it doesn't fall around. And I think that should be a pretty good fix for it. That way I can take the trash can off, empty it, bring it back, put a new bag in it, put it back down. So we'll see how that works out. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and get some finish on this one, and we'll see you in a minute. Bracket on the garbage can. Let's go put that on and see how that fits. I also put the piece on with the peg,
And the way this is supposed to work is that's supposed to go down on top of the peg like that, and that'll hold it in place while it's going down the road. Then when I want to change it, I just lift it off, change my bag, put it back together, put it back down. I also got the top built for this. This one's 2 inches longer, so the cup holder stays away from that bracket. And it has a little storage area down there. Now naturally you're going to have to move your drink if you open up the lid, but that's not a big deal. So that made a nice little console for it. And this big area right here, if somebody wanted to get one of those dashboard sticky pads, you could put that there and lay your sunglasses on it or your cell phone, keep it from sliding around. That would work really good too. And well, there it is. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these drink holders out of this, and I've got some of the Danish oil wipe-on poly, and I'm going to do all these corners here. I'm going to do that next. I got me some wipe-on poly here, and I'm going to be very careful not to spill this inside the bus. Okay. And I think I'll put the lid on that just for the time being. Alright. So I want to wipe these corners. There, fixed it up. You bet. Let's check this one over here. No dry spot on it. How did I know that? I could just feel a little rough on the edge of the rag when I was rubbing on it. And just for good measure, we'll rub a little in here. There we go. Put the cup holder back in. And let's do this one too. And the cup holder going back in. A nice tight fit. There. All right. Done and done. So, I've showed this to you guys before. It's Watco wipe-on poly. Works really good. Don't put it on too thick. You'll be having problems if you do. I learned that the hard way. Just put one coat on at a time, and this thing looks much better. Much, much better. I'll leave a link in the description for these. They came in a 4-pack, and they were only like $5.59 or something like that. So that's going to be the end of this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next time. Hey, go ahead and subscribe to me. I'm up to about 905 now, and I got stuck there. Let's get her to 1,000. I want to see what happens. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.